For the past several years, Umatac Mayor Dean Sanchez has been trying to get some help from the local government when it comes to fixing the erosion problem at the village cemetery. According to Sanchez, good news is that the Army Corps of Engineers will be visiting the site this week. The bad news is that he isn't sure if anything can be done on their part. The Army Corps of Engineers has jurisdiction over the shoreline, but not the land above it. The mayor says he's been trying to get some help from the government for the past 10 years.
I've actually sent a state of emergency letter to the previous governor, and I've addressed the same letter to our governor-elect Eddie Calvo, and I'm hoping that there'll be more positive responses from our administration or the administration now than we have had in the last 10 years. I mean, it's been so poor. I mean, I'm worried about the health hazard of our residents down there, more so for the visitors that come and use the facilities.
The problem is that the cemetery is located on private property, which was given to the residents to use as a cemetery. Sanchez says any mitigation efforts will take the help of the local departments in order to determine who can take the lead on this project. To date, Sanchez says they've already lost a few grave sites, which have since caved into a hole as a result of the inclement weather. He says it not only poses a safety hazard, but they still need to determine how much it'll cost to fix the problem. Sanchez says he fears that the residents may have to fork out the bill for this.
Other consideration is that the people of Umatac may have to foot some of the cost. And it seems rather crazy that of all the cemeteries around the island, this is the only one that belongs to more or less to the people. So that was a consideration that I had to throw out to the residents out there, that we were going to have to work together to make this happen for us, because apparently all the past efforts have not yielded any positive response.
Sanchez says although the Army Corps of Engineers has jurisdiction of the shoreside, he says they're willing to offer some assistance.
They say they may find some way to mitigate the problem if there is a consensus of the departments and the people of Umatac willing to work together to find a medium of responsibility amongst, and it's divided upon all the respective entities.
Sanchez says there needs to be a solution before the entire cemetery falls from the cliff line. Meantime, the Army Corps of Engineers is expected to visit Umatac on Wednesday. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Michelle Caddy.